The motor vehicle is made up of various components assembled in groups. These groups are referred to as systems: engine, fuel system, electrical system, exhaust system, drivetrain, suspension and steering systems, brake system, frame and body, safety systems, climate control system. The engine. This is where chemical energy is converted into mechanical energy. The most popular engine is the internal combustion engine. This engine burns an air-fuel mixture inside itself to drive a series of pistons and connecting rods that rotate a crankshaft, providing a continuous rotating motion to drive the vehicle. The engine also incorporates other systems, including lubrication and cooling systems. The cooling system maintains the engine at an ideal operating temperature, while the lubrication system ensures that all the moving parts are well oiled to provide a long serviceable life. The fuel systems stores and supplies fuel to the engine. The ignition system provides the spark necessary to ignite the air-fuel mixture inside the engine for it to burn. The electrical system provides the voltage necessary to operate the many electrical components on the vehicle, such as the vehicle's lighting system. The primary source of power for the electrical system is the battery. The exhaust system moves the burnt exhaust fumes safely and quietly away from the passenger compartment. The exhaust system consists of a series of pipes that interconnect and direct the burned gases to the tailpipe at the vehicle's rear. The drivetrain transmits the engine's power to the drive wheels. The drivetrain includes the transmission, drive shafts, and other parts. The suspension and steering system provides a means of safely controlling the vehicle. The suspension system is designed to isolate most vehicles from any road shock and keep the vehicle stable when driving straight or turning. The frame and body provide a foundation for building the vehicle. Today's vehicles incorporate a unitized body, where the body and frame are built together to reduce weight and increase passenger safety and comfort. The braking system allows the vehicle to be brought to a stop safely. The braking system includes both a mechanical and hydraulic system. Climate control systems for driver and passenger comfort include air conditioning and heating controls. Knowing the various automobile systems contributes to driving safety. For example, understanding the braking system helps you recognize signs of brake wear or failure, allowing you to take prompt action. Similarly, knowledge of the steering and suspension systems helps you identify handling issues that could compromise vehicle control. Overall, awareness of these systems empowers you to maintain a safer driving experience. When you visit an automotive repair shop, having a basic understanding of your vehicle's systems allows you to communicate effectively with the mechanic. You can explain the symptoms or issues you're experiencing more accurately, which helps the mechanic diagnose the problem efficiently. Moreover, it reduces the chances of misunderstandings or unnecessary repairs.